Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you could register your account on income tax website. So to register account you have to click here register. Then you will see this option. Let's get started. So here you can see taxpayer and others. If you select others you can see these categories: external agencies, stakeholders, chartered accountant and e-return intermediary. I'm showing this option for taxpayer. So if you are individual, you can register from here. You have to enter your PAN number. Let me enter that. Once you enter your PAN number, you have to click here validate. So you will see this message PAN validated successfully. Now you can see this. Please confirm if you want to register as individual taxpayer. So just click here and then continue. Now you have to fill here your details. So your last name, if you have any middle name, you can fill it here just to make sure your details should match with PAN. So you can see note here, please note, please provide data as per PAN on click of continue. So you have to enter the details as per your PAN card. Here you can enter your first name, your date of birth, then gender, then your residential status. After filling all these details, you have to click here on continue. Then you have to provide your contact details. Just to ensure, you have to provide mobile number and email ID where you can get OTP because you need that OTP in this registration. So make sure about that. So just fill mobile number, then primary mobile number belongs to. So you have to select from drop down self if number belongs to you. Then you have to enter your email ID as well, and then primary email ID belongs to. So just select from drop down. Now you have to fill your address. Once you fill pin code, you will see town and state will be filled automatically. You have to select post office here, area locality. So after filling all the details, click here on continue. Now you will see this page, enter OTP. So on this page you have to enter mobile OTP and email OTP. So just to make sure you have entered correct mobile number and email ID. Once you enter that, you have to click here on continue just to make sure. You can see there's expiry time here, so you have to enter all these details within expiry time. Once you enter that, you can click on continue. Now you will see this page, verified details. You can check your details, whatever you have entered, your PAN number, name, date of birth, gender, and residential status. Once you scroll down, you can find your contact details. Here you can see your mobile number and primary email ID. So anyways, you will get OTP on this number and email ID. So you have to ensure that it's correct. Now you have to click here on confirm. So on this step, you have to enter your password and you have to follow these criteria which are mentioned here. So just set your password. Okay. And then you have to confirm your password. You can set your personalized message. So when you log in onto the website, you will see this message. Anything you can set here, and then you have to click here on register. So once you click on register, you will see this message registered successfully, and you will see your e-filing portal user ID is your PAN number, and then confirmation email is sent to your email ID and SMS to your mobile number. So just click here proceed to login. Now you can enter your PAN number here, then click here on continue, and this is the secure message you can see. So whatever secure message you have entered there, you can see here. You have to click here, please confirm your secure access message, and then you have to enter your password. So this is the password which you set. Once you are done, just click here on continue, and now you can see your account is created. Here you can see your name and you can click here to see your profile. So just click here, you can see personal details. You can go through on different options. You can see here bank account. So because you have newly registered, you have to add your bank account details and any other details if you want. So I hope in this video it would be clear how can you register your account on income tax website. So I hope this video would be useful. If you are new on my channel, you can subscribe my channel for all these latest video updates. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.